Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to use a breadboard. This board is called as a breadboard as it looks like a bread. It has many holes and the remaining is white portion. As you can see, there are two lines, two rows on the up and on the bottom. On the middle there are 5 rows each. Now these two rows, they are called as a positive rail, and these two rows are called as the negative rail. The middle rows, they are called as the horizontal lines. Now if you can see the connection, these rows are connected vertically, whereas these two rows and these two rows, they are connected horizontally. It means that the connection flows horizontally, whereas here the connection flows vertically. As you can see, we have here alphabets corresponding to A, B, C, D, E up to J, and here we have numbers on the top. Now I will show you how to construct a basic circuit on this breadboard, and I am sure you will easily learn it. This is a basic circuit diagram where we have one 9-volt battery, a 470 ohms resistor and an LED. So now I will show you how to construct it on the breadboard. You will need a 9-volt battery, a battery clip to connections. Here we are using 1K resistors in parallel so that we can get 500 ohms. Okay, and one LED to indicate. Here we have to construct the resistors in a parallel manner. So I will show you how to connect it parallel. Now the second 1K resistor, it should be connected parallelly. Now as you can see, both these resistors are connected parallelly. Okay, so this 1K resistor and this 1K resistor, when they are connected parallelly, the total output becomes 500 ohms. Now we have to connect one end of the resistor to the positive of the 9-volt battery. This is a 9-volt battery. The positive is indicated by the red one and the negative by the black one. So the positive end of the 9-volt battery will be connected here, one end, okay, and the black one from the circuit diagram, we have to connect an LED to the remaining end of the 470 ohm resistor. Now before inserting the LED, we have to know about the anode and cathode. See, basically the longer strand of an LED is the anode, while the shorter one is cathode. Anode is positive and cathode is negative. So make the connections wisely. This is the positive one and negative one goes here. As you can see, the positive is connected here and the negative one has the wire left. So when we connect the negative of the battery to the here negative end, you can see the bulb glows. As you remove it, the bulb glows. This one was the basic circuit. Now I will show you how to make a complex circuit using the breadboard. This is IC7406. Now this is IC7406 is a voltage regulator. Now what do you mean by voltage regulator? Many of us has a false conception that regulator is one which we use in the fan for controlling the speed. Yes guys, it's also correct. But in electronic circuits, voltage regulator are those which convert higher voltage into a fixed amount of voltage. Now as this is 7406, so 06 indicates that it is a 6 volt voltage regulator. So we can get the output of constant 6 voltage with any input voltage we provide it. So as this is the circuit, this circuit looks simple as we have studied the previous one, 9 volt, here just 6 volt and replacing the resistor 330 ohms. But now if we make this circuit complex, if we are not having 6 voltage supply, so we can use this IC7406. So the same circuit becomes like this. We have 9 voltage and it has got, this IC is getting 3 pins. The first one is the input, the middle one is the common one, and the third pin it is the output pin. So this complex circuit can be constructed in this breadboard. Insert IC7406 in the breadboard. Now next, insert the 330 ohm resistor. The 330 ohm resistor from the positive of the IC7406. So this is the positive pin of the IC7406. See, the 330 ohm resistor has been connected. Now connect the positive of the LED to the 330 ohm resistor. As I said previously, the longer one is the positive and the shorter one is the negative. So this positive is connected here and the negative one here. Okay. Now the negative one of the LED has to be connected to the middle pin as per the circuit diagram. This is the negative and it has to be connected to the negative pin, that is the center pin. Okay. So we will make this connection with the help of a wire. See, this is a wire. This is the negative connection. This wire goes here, the center. See. So this connection has been made. Now we have to put the 9 volt battery supply. For the positive one to the input pin and the negative to the common pin. So the red one positive goes to the input pin, which is positive to the first pin and the negative one here in the center. As you can see, when the connection is made complete, the LED glows. I hope guys you have learned mounting, the basic mounting of the breadboard. Follow my next videos to learn more. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, comment and like.